All right, this is an extra video added on to countertops. I forgot to show you one other thing. I'm always forgetting to do something. But we need to place a sink in the countertop. We got to cut a hole in it. So I'll show you how to do that. First, we just select the sink that we want. And let's see, overwrite the existing version, whatever that is. Well, I don't want that. Let's see. Where is the sink? Pictures. I have the countertop with the sink installed, and I do not want that. I just want the plain sink. Let me search for it. There it is, 42 by 21. And I need to rotate it around. Alright, so we place it about, well, let's see, probably not right. Well, no, I got to because that's the dishwasher. Okay. And of course, if there's not many different sinks available in Revit in the stock library, you can go to Revit City and download more smaller, larger, whatever types of sinks. So anyway, this sink, the square portion that goes in here, this is the lip of the sink, and I want to cut it out to where that lip sort of sets down on the countertop. But to cut the hole in the countertop, I got to double click on it. Basically, I'm going into edit mode, and I double clicked on it 2 times. Why it did that, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like I might have to do some adjusting to my dishwasher a little bit here in a little while, stretch it out a little bit. But we'll just go ahead and cut the hole for now. And cutting the hole is really it's just drawing inside. Now right here, this is telling Revit that everything on the inside of it is that lightweight concrete that I'm using to represent my granite. If I draw any other shape on the inside, then that will actually tell Revit that is another boundary. It's the interior boundary of where that granite is supposed to go. So I'm just using the regular draw tools, and we're going to draw. If you've ever looked at a sink, you'll know kind of how a sink is made, and you'll see that there is that offset lip all the way around that helps it stay in the countertop. It actually sets into the countertop. All right, and of course across the back goes like so. And of course, in actuality, we would also have to cut holes for the sink top. I mean the knobs and everything as well. But this will cover the sink, and you can do it just like this, or if you want to, you can fillet the corners like so, and we'll fix that in just a moment. Okay. And that is, well, I thought it was fixed. Okay, so now beyond this, I would just go and cut holes, or a little set of holes right in here for the sink and everything else. But I'll let you do that on your own, and typically a lot of times whoever's designing the countertops or actually making the countertops will know to do that once they know exactly which sink you're going to use. But click the check mark, and you can see now it has a hole in it, and it even gives me some grips where I can edit that hole if I need to. All right, so that's it. That's how you cut a hole in your counter for your sink or anything else you're going to put in there.